Whether you're raising backyard chickens or running a small homestead, having the right egg incubator makes all the difference. In this video, I'm counting down the 7 best egg incubators you can get right now. You'll find all the purchase links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 7. CHICKCOZY. Starting off strong with the CHICKCOZY, this compact yet powerful incubator is packed with features that mimic the natural hatching process. It includes 2 enhanced water trays labeled C and D for flexible humidity control, perfect whether you're in a dry climate or aiming for higher humidity levels. Just fill one or both zones to maintain the ideal environment for your eggs. The precision temperature and humidity control system ensures consistent warmth and moisture inside the incubator, mimicking a mother hen's natural conditions. Eggs are automatically rotated once an hour, promoting even development and improving hatch success. It's all designed for easy use, making it great even for total beginners. It also features a clear dome lid that gives you a 360-degree view of the action, plus a built-in egg candler so you can check on development without moving anything. Cleanup is simple thanks to the detachable fan and rinseable base. You'll find the link down below. Don't miss out on this one. Number 6. CHALIXION. At number 6, the CHALIXION incubator is all about stability, capacity, and smart features. It comes with dual fan-driven heaters that reach and maintain the set temperature quickly, while real-time humidity monitoring keeps everything perfectly balanced. If anything gets out of range, the system alerts you right away. Water refills are super convenient. You can top it up externally without ever opening the lid, which helps keep the temperature from fluctuating. It turns the eggs automatically every 90 minutes, ensuring even heat distribution and better hatch rates. And with 5 incubation modes, including 4 automatic presets and 1 manual, you're in full control. This incubator is also perfect for different types of eggs, thanks to adjustable rollers and a 2-tier setup for bigger batches. It runs on both standard power and 12-volt backup, so a power outage won't ruin your hatch. If you're looking for peace of mind and versatility, check the link in the description. Number 5. ABTOR. The ABTOR incubator is a great pick if you're working with more than just chicken eggs. It's designed to handle quail eggs too, making it ideal for a wide range of poultry lovers. Whether you're educating your kids or starting a small hatchery, this incubator is user-friendly and highly effective. It features a precision control panel that allows you to manage temperature and humidity with ease, ensuring optimal conditions throughout the incubation process. The built-in high-definition egg candler lets you visually monitor the embryos as they develop, turning hatching into a fun, interactive experience. Energy efficiency is another highlight here. The ABTOR uses smart tech to minimize power usage, and it's built with high-quality materials for long-term durability. Setup is quick, and controls are intuitive, so even kids can get involved. If this sounds like what you need, the link is waiting for you below. Just a quick reminder, thanks to Gadget Ranked, you can grab a free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime and enjoy free shipping. The link is below in the description if you want to try it out. Number 4. ONKO. Midway through our list, the ONKO incubator stands out with its one-click smart operation. Just select the mode, and it takes care of the rest, automatically adjusting temperature, humidity, and turning frequency depending on the egg type. The built-in sensors adapt in real time, keeping everything perfectly stable. It rotates the eggs every 90 minutes and stops 3 days before hatching, simulating a natural process. A whisper-quiet motor keeps things peaceful, while the durable ABS holder handles over 500 cycles without wear. The large humidity tray and adjustable vents give you control over moisture levels with minimal refills needed. This unit also features a built-in candler and a fully detachable design for easy cleaning. With its user-friendly layout, clear display, and strong build, it's perfect for home users looking for hands-off reliability. If that's what you're after, go take a look. Link in the description. Number 3. SOMFERIC. Coming in at number 3, the SOMFERIC incubator is all about simplicity and automation. Just place the eggs, pick one of 5 smart modes or go manual, and let the incubator handle the rest. It automatically manages temperature, humidity, egg turning, and even adjusts for the specific bird species. Temperature is constantly monitored and adjusted to match the set values, and alarms will notify you if anything drifts out of range. Humidity is just as easy to control thanks to a built-in removable water tank that you can refill without disrupting the eggs. Every 90 minutes, the eggs are turned automatically, helping promote healthy embryo development. It even stops the turning function in the final 3 days to prep for hatching. With a built-in candling light and a dual LED display to monitor temperature, humidity, and progress, this incubator is a powerhouse. Link below if you want to see more. Number 2. AIQINU. The AIQINU incubator. It's designed for multiple egg types, with trays that fit everything from chicken and duck eggs to quail, pigeon, turkey, and even reptiles. With 2 removable trays and options for different sizes, it's perfect for farms, classrooms, or science projects. The incubator offers 3 egg-turning intervals, every 60, 120, or 180 minutes, to keep things consistent across species. The built-in LED candler and 360-degree viewing window let you check on your hatchlings without disturbing the environment. It also includes adjustable vents for precise airflow and a super quiet motor that won't disrupt your home. With an easy, clean, waterproof base and stable temperature control, this model is a fantastic all-around choice. If you're thinking this might be the one, go ahead and click the link in the description. Number 1. SYLVANSPARKKITCHEN. The SYLVANSPARKKITCHEN incubator is a compact professional-grade system packed with intelligent features. It's designed for 12 chicken or duck eggs, or over 40 quail eggs, with digital precision monitoring for temperature and humidity. The real-time display and tight +0, 5-degree Fahrenheit accuracy make this ideal for serious hatchers. It features PID smart temperature stabilization, a 360-degree airflow system, and automatic overheat protection. The egg turner mimics natural rotation cycles and pauses 72 hours before hatch. A built-in LED candler lets you check progress without opening the lid, and audio reminders keep you on schedule. With dual external water tanks and a leak-proof humidity system, you only need to refill once or twice per cycle. The dishwasher-safe trays, locking lid, emergency power-off memory, and food-grade ABS construction make this the ultimate incubator for safety and ease. Want pro-level performance? You'll find the link right below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best egg incubators you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.